Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Unveiled Spy, and I can show you how to insert the cartridges inside of this printer. So firstly, we need to open the printer. To open it, first of course we need to open the monitor in this way. Without it we can't open the printer. Then we need to open the scanner. Then we need to open the front panel. Here we can do it, as you can see here. And then when scanner and screen is open, we can open the upper part of our printer. Or no. As you can see, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay. Now it works. And here, inside of the printer, we have the place for cartridges, and we just need to insert the cartridges here. And here we see that the instruction, and that's it. That's it. So on the left side, we need to insert the color cartridges, and on the right, the black and white cartridges. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.